Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I'm going to talk about a lot of things you may not have thought about. And that's, what do you need to clean? So, a freezer, for example, you're touching the freezer. You go inside the freezer. If you're like mine and it's got a broken ice maker up top, you've got this little ice bucket down here. Well, that handle is something that's touched. It's got to be cleaned. My thing that I do is I never go into my refrigerator or freezer until I've properly scrubbed down. Now, something I do is put, after I've cleaned them in another room, I'll clean the groceries, and then I'll properly scrub my hands, and then open this up to put the groceries in there. Medical community, I don't know if they're right or not, but apparently this virus could live for a long time in a freezer. So be sure to clean your stuff before you put it in the freezer. Another area that you may touch is your stove or your range, whatever you want to call that. Maybe you're setting your timer on your microwave. You're touching the microwave. If you open the microwave, there's a handle there. You wash your dishes, you're touching the handle to the dishwasher. Inside the dishwasher doesn't matter because, I'm running the dishwasher to clean things up. You go to your sink. What do? You touch the knob to turn the sink on. And then you may grab the nozzle. And then you're touching the top of the soap to wash your hands. So you need to clean that after you've washed your hands. I mean, there's a lot of things you don't think about. You go over here, you grab you a fork or a knife. That handle's contaminated. You reach in to grab a knife, and then you decide you want a fork. Well, both of those are contaminated. You're talking while you do it. You may have spread the germs or the virus, whatever you call it. I mean, I'm barefoot, and that's because when I re-enter the residence, I take my shoes off because I may have stepped in COVID. I mean, you can go a little bit overboard with this, but the reason I'm posting this video is not to create fear, but it's just, oh, and by the way, maybe I got some cleaning detergent out from underneath the sink. Got to scrub those down. Just to illustrate all the things that you may touch and may not even realize you're touching. So, better safe than sorry, especially when you don't know. I mean, we're told what the medical community has told us, but there are no guarantees. There's not currently a cure for this virus, and hope this video made y'all think. Again, not trying to scare anybody, just trying to help everybody stay better prepared. Y'all be safe and stay healthy. See you later, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/Irix Guy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.